Sales funnels are one of the most important parts of any online business. If you have a product, a service, or even just an idea, a sales funnel helps you to guide the people step by step until they finally take action. Many beginners think funnels are complicated or need expensive tools, but that is not true anymore. With the tool like Systeme.io, you can build complete sales funnel without coding, without design skills, and without using the many different platforms. In this video, I am going to show you how to build sales funnels using Systeme.io, and I will keep everything simple so beginners can follow easily. I will explain what each part of the funnel does, why it is important, and then I will build it step by step on screen so you can see the full process in real time. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to access Systeme.io. By using the description link, any available free access or special benefit that will be applied automatically. So you can start building your funnels without extra cost. Now let's start building the funnel. First of all, you have to be on this page, Systeme.io. Now on this side, you can see we don't have any account. So if you have already account, just click on this sign in and log in your account. And if you don't have any account, click on this start for free now. Just write your email and click on this get my free account to create the account. Do you already have a business? If you have, then you can go yes, I already run. Or if you don't have, then you can go no, I'm just getting started. So I will go with this. Now what is your annual revenue in USD? More than $1,000 per year or less than. So I will go with this one. So you can select based on your business. Just write your email address and click on submit. Now it will ask you to check your email inbox. They will send a message and you just need to confirm that. After that, just click on this sign in. Okay, so I'm just logged into my account and here you can see there is a option, the sites. Just hover on this and click on the sales funnels. Now you will be on this page. You can see I have a sales funnel here, book selling. So let's delete this for better understanding. Now we will create a new sales funnel here. But before we click anything, let me explain what a sales funnel really is in a very simple way. A sales funnel is just a journey. First, people discover you, then they understand your offer. After that, they decide if they trust you enough to buy. Systeme.io helps you to organize this journey in one place so people don't get confused and leave. Right now, what I'm doing is creating a new funnel. So to do that, just click on this create button here. Now a new funnel usually starts with a landing page. Landing page has one main goal, which is to collect an email or push people to the next step. You don't want many buttons or distractions here. Simple text, clear message, and one action works best. Now just write your funnel name here. As I'm writing book sell, because in this video I will sell a book and based on that we will create the funnel. So you can see there is another option, the funnel domain, which is our username Easy Access Tech, then Systeme.io. Okay, basically it is a free domain here, but if you want to add your custom domain, you can do that. Now let me show you how to do that. So once you are logged in, just click on this profile icon here and just click on this settings. Now you want to be on this tab, custom domains. Now if you want to rename or if you want to change this name, you can just click on this three dot and edit subdomain here. So if you want, then you can change it here and it will be changed. So I'm not going to do that. Or if you want to add your own domain, the custom domain, then you need to click on this add domain button. Write your domain here and there will be some step, then click on save and it will be saved and you can use that domain. Okay, let's back to our sales funnel creation. Next thing is choose your funnel goal. In this case, I will go with this sell because I want to sell a product. So just selecting this here, just choose your currency. In my case, it's US dollar. Okay, so click on this save next. Our sales funnel creation is completed. Now just click on this to open. You can see there are two steps already, the order form, thank you page. But in my point of view, a sales funnel must have three steps. To create a step or the page, just click on this add step. Since it's the sales page, so I will keep it sales page. Then just select the type here. You can see it's sales page, but you will be able to use like all of these options here. So it's sales page, selecting. Now, as you can see, Systeme.io gives ready-made templates. This is very helpful for beginners. Now, I will obviously go with this, choose a template, but if you want to create from scratch, you can click on this. But in this case, I will go choose a template. Now click on save. Now, before choosing any template, you can preview them. Just click on this preview template. You can simply scroll and you can see this. Okay, now close this. Let's say I want to go with this one because I'm selling book, so maybe it will be a better option for me. So I'm just selecting this. Now here you can see first it is the order form, then thank you page, then sales page. But practically the sales page should be on top of the order page, right? So just hold and drag it to the top and leave it, and that's it. We set this name, the sales page, and you can see there is a URL. These are the random numbers. These all are the unprofessional and unorganized. So we will remove this and let's give it sales page. Now click on this edit page here to customize that template. Now when I edit the page, you notice that everything works with just drag and drop. That means you can click on text, you can change words, adjust the buttons, and you can move the sections easily. You don't need coding knowledge. This makes Systeme.io beginner friendly and fast. Okay, so let's change this heading here. Since we are going to sell a book, so I will write here. Okay, so learn the best marketing hack. Now let's change this image, right? To do that, just click on this again. You can see there is a blue highlighted border. That means you have selected this one. Now you can see there is image file and there is a cloud icon. So just click on this cloud or upload icon. Now again click on this, click to upload. Let's say this is our book cover image. Now open this and it's uploading. Okay, after that just click on this insert. See, the book is replaced, but the size is smaller. So how do you change that? Now on the left side you can see there is a image size. So if you increase here the number, it will change the size of the image. Now the size is okay, but I think the image should place down here. Okay, let's do that. Just scroll down. You can see size and position, and in this section first thing is the margin. So let's give the margin. Basically margin is the blank space. So if you increase the number, you can see will be created the blank space. So let's increase the number. So this is the top value and this is the bottom value. So we don't want to give blank space in the bottom. So we will remove this. Now it's perfect. Next, let's change this paragraph text. Similarly, how we changed this text earlier, you can change this obviously here. So you can write anything. So I don't want to do that. I'm just keeping it as it is for this tutorial. And next thing is the button. You can see there is two buttons. If you want, then you can change the color. If you want, then you can change the font, text, everything. So just click on this to select. Now you can change the action of the button. So after clicking this button here, people can see a submit form, people can see a pop-up or URL open or the next step, the perfect one for this case. So I will select this one. Next, let's change the button text under this typography. So let's say I want to keep only buy book. Okay, so I will remove this D. If you want, then you can change the font size from here. You can change the font type. Okay, so you can see there is a color section, and under this the background color. Click on this, just change the background color. You can give the border radius, you can change the border color and all of the thing. I hope now you understand better about this button. Next thing is the section. Now if you want to delete this section, let's say I don't want this. So how to do that? Just hover on this, and when it will be this green highlighted section, just click on this delete icon and it will be deleted. That's it. Now obviously you can change this logo to match your brand. Just click on this, and similarly you can upload your logo here and it will be replaced. Same thing goes for the menu button here. Just click on this. You can change the text, you can change the link. One more thing, if you want to change the size of the heading or text, just click on this, select all of this. Now you can change the size, H2, H3 or the H1, and you can manually change the size. You can see the text is overlapping. How you can fix that? So the font size is 68, and obviously we should give the line height also 68. Now it's perfect. To make it responsive, just click on this mobile button. If you want to remove this image from here, you can do that. So just select this. You can see there is a mobile icon. So what you will change here, this only will be applied for the mobile devices. Now if you want to hide this, you can do that. You can see item visible on mobile. So it will not shown in the mobile device, but when you will be on the desktop, it will appear. Click on the save to save all of these changes, and click on exit to go back. Now next thing is the order form. So if you are selling something, the checkout page or order page is very important. Systeme.io lets you add payment options easily and connect them without complicated setup. A clean checkout page increases the trust and reduces the drop-offs. Let's say I want to go with this theme, so I'm just selecting this. Same thing here, the order form. We don't have to change the name, and we will change this one, these random numbers here. Now click on this edit page. So on this checkout page, I don't want to change anything major here. If you want to add any new input type, then just scroll down, you can see this form, and here you can see, now select and drag and drop it here. You can see we have added a new form, and let's say you want to add this for the postal code, and that's how you can add. So we don't want this, let's delete. Now I'm just keeping it as it is. Now click on this save and exit. So our sales page, order page is created. Next thing is the thank you page. So click on this. After someone signs up, they should not feel lost. That's why we use the thank you page or sales page. Sometimes we combine this thank you step in the order page. This page confirms their action and tells them what to do next. Now you can explain the product, you can show the benefit, or you can guide them into a checkout page. Let's say I like this one, this template. So I'm just selecting. Same thing here, I will change this. Now click on this edit page. And I will keep it as it is, okay? I will only delete this footer. Now keeping it as it is, now click on save, then exit. Our sales page, order page, and the thank you page is created. Now if I click on this view funnel, you can see the funnel is on live. If someone click on this buy book, they will be redirected on the checkout page. So if I show you, let's click on this. It will be redirected directly on the thank you page because we didn't add our payment method. Now let's clicking this, and you can see we are on our thank you page. But when you add your payment method from the settings, payment gateway, and you just add your payment method, it will not be redirected on the thank you page directly. Whenever people will click on the buy book, they will be redirected to the checkout page. Then they can move to the thank you page. Now let's get back to here. Now simply click on this link icon here to copy the URL. Now you can use this URL to your social media, to your email, or anywhere where you want to promote this URL of your sales page. So if this video helped you to understand sales funnel better, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to build an online business. And don't forget to use the link from description, and don't forget to subscribe Easy Access Tech for more beginner friendly tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.